Good morning, everyone. Jason Love here, and I wanted to spend just a couple of minutes going through the trade plan that we posted here on the My Trading Buddy Market Analysis website. This was the trade plan from February 25th, 2016, and I wanted to spend, like I said, just a couple of minutes going through it with you. So if you click here on the post, this was the post that we made here. A couple of things that I want to point out to you. We talked about, we showed you the trade plan from the 24th. We showed you how that trade plan, what it looked like on the chart, and then there's a quick recap video. But what I want to draw your attention to here right now is the actual trade plan itself for the 25th of February. So what I'm going to draw your attention to is the first long area on the day was 31.18 down to 31.92, and that's this blue box that you see drawn here. From 31.18 down to 31.92, you could see that we came right down into this support zone, and we made we had a really large rally. Now, this rally was based on news that was coming out of Saudi Arabia that there was going to be a meeting to discuss output, but the trade plan nonetheless called the bottom of this rally and really the top of this rally. So first thing I want to do is look at this. You look at line item number 1 on your trade plan here on the long side, 31.18 to 30.92 with a sweet spot of 31.05. Well, if you can see this here on this chart, this low was 31.07. So we really missed calling the dead low of the day by 2 ticks. But you were inside the zone there, and it did give you an opportunity to get in. And so if you let's just take a measurement here. And let's assume that you got in up here at 31.18, okay? So that's the top of the box right here is 31.18. And let's see if I can get this measured properly. Right here is 31.18. Whoops. Try this one more time. All right, let's try it one more time here. We'll go to currency, and we'll come down here to 31.18, 16, 17, there's 18. And the first short, if you look at line item number 1, was 33.12. So if you assume that you just rode this up to the 33.12 area, which was right there, that was 194 ticks on that move, right? So if you just assume you're going to ride it straight up all the way up to the next short, which was 33.12, you had an opportunity to get in short there. If you waited to the top of this box for 33.42, and let's say you got short off of 33.42, then you had an opportunity. If you didn't catch the long, you had that opportunity to take a short here. And let's do it this way so we could see these numbers a little bit more clearly. Let's assume you went from 30 down to, well, you're not going to be able to see these any easier. So 32.90, 42 to 32.90 is 520 ticks, and let's see if we can expand this out just a bit more so you can see what it is that I'm referring to. And maybe we'll do one more thing here. Let's see. Come back one, we'll go to labels, and we will put that label in the we'll put it in lower right here. And maybe that will be able to see this a little bit easier. Okay, so 52 ticks. So the point is that we came right down into the OTG support and resistance levels. So that was on your trade plan. That was 31.18 down to 30.92. You had a 194 tick rally up to 33.12. That's $1,940 on a single contract. If you just took this short here from 33.12, you had a low point here of 32.76. That's another 36 ticks here on the move down. Or if you waited, you had an opportunity for 52 ticks into the zone. But either way, you hit the zone from the long to the short, and it ended up being a very nice trade from your OTG trade plan. So again, as always, we want to say thank you for spending some time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until next time, we want to wish you good luck and good trading.